Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Come have a little fun with your girl KC. What's up my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are having some snow crab legs and Dungeness crab legs, and I tried to make a butter sauce, garlic butter sauce with the Smackalicious seasoning pack. So we're gonna see how that turns out. If you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So we're gonna jump in because it's late. Alright, so let me tell you where I probably messed up. I tried to cook the actual crabs in the seasoning pack. Now I don't know how that's gonna turn out, y'all. So, because the water was bland to me, so I gotta ask Sharika how she did it. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well. So yeah, this butter sauce, y'all know. Okay. Y'all know ooh, you can't see it. Hold on. There you go. You should be able to see it. So, like the seasoning pack said, you can use it for a variety of things. So I was like, well, let's see. Right? I wanted to see if you can use it for other things, other butter sauces as well. Like I said, I tried to boil the crab, but I don't know if I did that right. Cause now, I gotta be honest, I taste, it don't taste like the Florida seasoning, which I know it's not gonna taste like it. I'm gonna tell you what I did to that. That was good. Cause everybody don't want the ginger and the onion. Especially kids. Some of them kids don't want that. And everybody want to get their money's worth, so I'm like, try it like them. Okay, that's good. That was good. I don't know how to tell you to boil your crab in them, because you want your pot to be flavorful, so I did that part wrong. I gotta be honest with you. I know it's been done because Sharika did it. I just gotta watch her video again. I thought I could wing it and figure it out. I ain't no chef yet, just hold on. So anyway, let me eat a little bit and then we'll... Oh, today I have... Oh, the rest of my smoothie. I had a black cup. So, yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm ready to talk to y'all, but I'm gonna eat first. Somebody gotta try that. Big old piece of meat. Look at that. Ooh. And my plate is in the dishwasher, so I just had to use this. Look at that. Claw meat. That is good. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna eat the body in a minute. Let me just finish these legs so we can get to talking. Oh, and I told Kiana, I wasn't gonna make the. She said I'd be grunting, so I ain't gonna grunt in this video. That's delicious. I didn't realize I was grunting. Come on, that perfect cook. Ooh. Is that a grunt? It's a habit. She might be right. Great day. Okay, come on now. Don't worry about it. I can't help it. Shoot. Your girl cooked these now. I don't know why I did the other ones I had. But these right here, I did that. Now I'm gonna make myself mad. I'm gonna piss myself off. Oh my goodness. So yeah, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching that video yesterday and commenting and participating. I literally stayed up till, was it 2 or 3 in the morning answering comments. Because it was just so funny. I just wanted to see how everybody was thinking. So, and I wish I had more time because I wanted to read the comments. Some of them comments, oh my gosh. Some of y'all went off on me. I'm like, you don't even know which one is the truth and you don't went off. Some people want to meet Uncle Johnny. Wow. And some of y'all connectors think y'all know my life. Y'all know my life. Y'all know my life. Boy, y'all be paying attention though. I can tell you that much. God, dog. I was like, but dog, how long you been riding with me? You done broke it down. That's a bit scary. No, that ain't scary. That's good because y'all can be like, I can't see cuz such and such. That's what y'all were doing. I mean, y'all like, correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't you? I'm like, dang, girl, you done gave the thing away. Hirsch. So yeah, that was really fun. Y'all are so awesome. Y'all have a sense of humor, which I love. And it's so funny because some of y'all be like, you know, I'm going through something, but I'm so glad when you upload because it can take my mind off of what I'm going through. Because you could be like, take your, you know, what you're going through out on me and, you know, say mean things, say anything, but I'm just grateful you don't. So, oh, that's right. Let me turn these bodies this way. I know y'all don't like, or is it just on the snow crab that y'all don't like to see the thing? But, so I'm grateful for that. So I have to say thank you that you don't take your frustrations out on me. Because a lot of people do. Because they're not happy with their lives and stuff. They take their misery and stuff out on other people. But for the most part, y'all definitely don't. So thank you. Alright, now that I ate all the snow crabs, and I hope I wasn't hiding it the whole time. And I must say, I know y'all don't, sometimes y'all don't want to see seafood. But y'all been real cool about these 7 days of Smackalicious. So thank you again. Because y'all could have been like, well, why are you doing that? What you doing that for? But y'all not. So I appreciate that. But for real, y'all need to try this butter sauce. It's 1 stick of butter, garlic, minced garlic, parsley, the Smackalicious seasoning pack, lemon, and hot sauce. So just in case somebody wants to try to make a butter sauce without all the other stuff, and you might not like all that, or you might can't have all the brown sugar and all that. And I want to say it was like a teaspoon of the Smackalicious sauce. But I poured the stuff in the boiling water. I don't know what I did to that, child. I don't know. You have to get them instructions from somebody else. I don't know how to tell you to cook your crabs in it. Ooh, that's a fat thigh. Oh, come on. Yes. Alright, so here's the deal. In the first story, which was the road trip. Oh, wait, let me do the poll. So in the poll, I asked which story is a lie. 59% said the extremely dangerous road trip. 22% said my wedding and Uncle Johnny. And the balcony barbecue fire got 19%. And there was 905 votes and 12 comments. So thank you guys so much for participating in the poll. So most of y'all think that the road trip was a lie, right? The road trip was a true story. Now this is on a Sunday, so it wasn't like a Monday morning or anything like that, but still traffic was there. So yes, we did. And yes, it was dangerous. And my niece was at that time, I want to say she was in high school, but it still was dangerous. So I want to say she was around 15, 16 or something like that. So this was over 10 years ago. I hadn't been to Atlanta since 2008. So it was before, way before that. So I'm thinking she was definitely a teenager. But still, it was still dangerous, but it was very true. Y'all went off on me. And y'all was like, your mom was in the car, there's no way. Well, we jumped out. What was she gonna do? Come get us? She was panicking, of course. And she went off once we got in the car, but we got the clothes in. We were blessed. And somebody said that. Somebody said that God looks out for fools and babies. And then she also said, what did she say? Look what I've been through, or what did I overcome? Something like that. So, ooh, look at that. That is good. So yes, y'all, that story was absolutely true. I kid you not. Yes, it was dangerous. Yes, we could have died. Yes, we could have caused the accident. A whole bunch of stuff. But we did make it through. And somebody asked, how can a suitcase Did you say bust open? Well, when a suitcase hits the ground that hard, of course it's gonna bust open. And what other questions did y'all have? Oh, you can't. Oh, most of y'all said I can't believe you would do something like that. Yeah, I did. I sure did. No, we sure did actually. Okay, so next question. Next story. Sorry. My wedding and Uncle Johnny. I don't have an Uncle Johnny. My dad doesn't have a brother. And I went to the courthouse. Y'all know I ain't have no wedding. I can't even get myself together to go to Disney World. Oh, look at this. That thing thick. I love that it's sticking onto the thing. But yeah. Nope, that's not true. I didn't have a wedding. I don't have an Uncle Johnny. But I'm so glad that I was very convincing in my storytelling, because I'm not a good storyteller. Now, It's Kim B is a great storyteller, not me. So I was wondering how many people was actually going to believe me. And then, so obviously, you know, that the fire with me and April was definitely true. And I think we probably had put too much lighter fluid or something. I don't know. But we finally got the fire out. But yeah, that thing was not going down. So no, I don't have an Uncle Johnny. I wish I did though. He sounds like he would be a fun person. Uncle Johnny say, here we coming down the aisle. Somebody said, now how in the world Uncle Johnny gonna go to sleep that fast? And some of y'all was like, why would you let Uncle Johnny do that? Look like you would have sat him down and talked to him first. You would not let him embarrass you. But yes, most people have an Uncle Johnny. I, unfortunately, never had one. And most of y'all know both my parents are deceased. They have transitioned. But yeah. My dad would probably tell stories like that. He would be good at, he would be so good at this. 2 truths, 1 lie. Because his stories, he's a great storyteller. And y'all gotta remember, I have to make it as convincing as possible. Because somebody was like, I know you ain't gonna lie on your daddy. Yes, it's called 2 truths, 1 lie. It's a story. And then somebody said, I just read her comment, or his comment, her or his, I can't remember. She said, I know, I think she said, I know the fire was not true because you kept correcting yourself. Well, the thing is, you got to make sure that you make the truth sound like a lie and the lie sound like a truth. That's the name of the game. But yeah, so if you're a content creator, you should definitely try it. I think it's fun. It was definitely fun for me, especially reading the comments. So, thank y'all for participating. Let me know if y'all want me to do it again to see if y'all can guess. To those who guessed correctly and said, you did not have a wedding, you went to the courthouse. And I had to say there was a part 2 to make it believable. Y'all know I didn't even throw birthday parties, so you know I wasn't gonna throw no wedding. And then I said $50,000. I'm not throwing no $50,000 wedding when I can go to the courthouse for $100. Child, please. Me? I'm so glad y'all enjoyed the stories and could get a good laugh. That was funny to me too. It was funny while I was telling it. I bet my head was chopped off the whole time. I'm sorry, y'all. So yeah. Fun times, fun times. I'm gonna do it with Alicia too. I think that would be fun. Oh, that was good. Yeah, child. Boil your stuff. You gotta add either. I think I needed to add some more of the seasoning pack in there, but the child, I ain't want to use up all my stuff because I gotta make some more. I gotta make some more. So yeah, that's it. I know some of y'all going off on me. Don't go off on me too bad, please. Please. Remember it happened years ago. Oh, and somebody said your niece lives in Fort Lauderdale. Y'all, my brother Reggie has 5 girls. Yeah. He has 5. Wait, 4 girls and then a goddaughter. So yeah, like 5 girls. Cause she's, yes. So that ain't even all my nieces. So no, Alicia's daughter is not my only niece. And y'all met like Jessica, y'all met Asha. Y'all on the cruise vlogs, y'all saw Gina. Y'all saw Lil Asha. Who else is on the ship? A lot of them. Who I'm missing? I'm missing somebody. Autumn. Which y'all know I wouldn't let Alana and Autumn go out on the highway. They too small. I mean, nobody should have been on the highway. But y'all, that was so long ago. But yeah, I'll never forget that. I know somebody gonna be like, which sauce do you like better? Do you like it like that butter sauce with the seasoning, or do you like all the onions and the that's that. That sound like MK Markel when he do this. I don't know. It's just a different flavor. Everything is just different. It just depends on, I guess, what mood you're in. If you want something sweet, then you do make it the other way. If you want something lemon and garlicky, make it this way and use the seasoning this way. If it's gonna be versatile, you got to be able to use it in a variety of different ways. Because that's what I put on my review on Amazon, that it was very versatile. And you might not want to use the whole pack at one time. Maybe you want to use a teaspoon for this and a tablespoon for that. But yeah, get your money's worth. If you bought the sauce and you paid your $30 or $25, use it. I'm not about to tell you you shouldn't use it. Who knows? You might be the one to come up with a great recipe or something. Somebody said, KC, you celebrating your birthday already? It ain't tenacious. Do y'all know they got the Christmas tree up in Sam's? Girl, this year is over. This thing is gone. Excuse me. Hopefully y'all can't see this mess I got on my shirt. But yeah, this is gone, honey. All right, last one. Last leg. These were so goddamn good. I don't know why I put that pepper, because I was trying to hold the thing up. All right, let me just go. I can finish this later because it's already late. So again, thank you guys so very much. I had a great time in them comments, reading your comments, hearing you go off on me. Telling me I'm a great storyteller. I need practice. But yeah, y'all are so awesome. So thank you so much. So much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.